Ooh, I think Bitcoin's done taking his nap. Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, May 26th, and you guys know what time it is. Let's jump into the prices of these cryptocurrencies. If you watched yesterday's video, you heard me talking about how the price of Bitcoin is falling and we may see an even further climb going downwards. In the last 24 hours, however, Bitcoin has taken a turn for the better, finishing its long overdue nap where it just snoozed for a little bit, went down, and now it may be on the upswing. Now, I was quite surprised about this because I honestly thought that Bitcoin was going to drop a little bit lower to that $7,600 mark. Obviously, I was wrong, so I'd love to know your guys' opinion. Where do you think Bitcoin's going to go in the next week? Leave a comment down below and we'll see which comment gets the most likes, and that's going to be my prediction for next week. Bitcoin is currently up 1.3% at $8,904. Ethereum up 0.7% at $203.81. Dash up 0.8% at $73.02. And Litecoin flat at $42.69. Let's take a closer look at the chart of Bitcoin to see what it did exactly in the last 24 hours. When I made yesterday's video, it was sitting here at the $8,700, $8,800 mark. Then we saw it drop down to about 8,600, and this is where I thought we were going to keep going further down. However, we did see a massive buy-in volume causing the price to shoot up. Then market confidence began to return, and the price kept jumping up with a few dips here and there, hitting a maximum price of $8,954 and leveling out at that $8,900 mark. So $9,000 right up here is going to be a pretty hard resistance level to break through. Once it hits that $9,000 mark and stays there for a few days, it will turn from a resistance point to a support level, and we should see an upwards climb back up to where we were. Again, I could be completely wrong and it could tank down to $6,000. Thus is the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Join us later today on our next episode where we cover the top news articles written in the last 24 hours. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and we will see you later today.